This is a video showing how the Dyson vacuum actually works. Here's some hair from my dog and my cats and dogs. I'm just showing how the Dyson works. There's two modes on it. There's bare floors and then there's carpet. I have it set on carpet. Excuse the dehumidifier. And there you can see that the Dyson clearly got all the particles. I'm just doing this as a test. I mean, there is stuff there, but you have to vacuum it a couple times to get it out. But the Dyson's fully capable and it fully works. Alright, thank you.